Representatives from American defense consultancy Defense Bridge Asia and American defense giant Lockheed Martin are in the Philippines and met with Philippine Air Force Command General Lieutenant General Stephen Pareno on March 5, 2024. Lockheed Martin is producing the F-16 Viper in progress for the Philippine Air Force's multi-role fighter acquisition project. This latest generation fighter aircraft is expected to increase the Philippines' air defense capabilities and strengthen the country's military presence in the region. The F-16 Viper production process itself involves various stages from component assembly to flight tests. Lockheed Martin has allocated sufficient resources and manpower to ensure that this fighter aircraft is manufactured to the highest quality standards. Apart from that, Lockheed Martin also guarantees that the F-16 Viper will be equipped with the latest features such as advanced radar, advanced avionics systems and deadly weapons capabilities. This is expected to provide a tactical advantage for the Philippine Air Force in dealing with threats in the air. The F-16 Viper is the latest variant of the legendary F-16 Fighting Falcon fighter aircraft, which has been proven to be one of the best fighter aircraft in the world. With advanced technology and reliable combat capabilities, the F-16 Viper is expected to meet the needs of the Philippine Air Force in maintaining the country's air sovereignty. Note that the Philippines has already shown interest in acquiring a new MRF where the F-16 Block 70 Viper competes, as well as using F-16s from third-party countries or US excess defense articles. Philippine Ambassador to the US Jose Manuel Ranz confirmed that Denmark is the third party supplying the F-16s that the Philippines is eyeing, even though changes in procurement laws are needed to allow the purchase of modern second-hand materials used by the PAF. Is said to be interested in between 12 to 16 fighter aircraft as part of the Horizon 3 phase of the revised AFP modernization program. The Philippine Air Force has stepped up its multi-role fighter MRF acquisition project, which requires purchase and induction at least 12 multi-role fighter aircraft which act as the country's main air combat aircraft. Several months ago it was reported that the US had given approval to the Philippines to purchase new or used F-16 Viper Block 70s from the US and from third-party sources including Denmark. Although Denmark had the final say on whether it was willing to sell to the Philippines when the sale of the planes was announced in June 2021, the US estimated the price of the planes and related equipment at $2.43 billion is more than half the Philippines' annual defense budget. The planes are intended to check China's air and maritime operations in the China Sea South. In its efforts to modernize and expand its air defense capabilities, the Philippines has shown strong interest in acquiring advanced fighter aircraft. One interesting option that the Philippines could focus on is the F-16 Viper Block 70. This fighter offers a number of features and capabilities that can increase the Philippines' deterrence in the region. Here are some key specifications of the F-16 Viper Block 70 that make it an attractive option for the Philippines in Horizon Phase 3 development. 1. Multifunctional combat capability. The F-16 Viper Block 70 has very flexible combat capabilities. It can be used for various missions such as airstrikes, air combat and close air support. 2. Advanced avionics system. Equipped with an advanced avionics system including AESA, active electronically scanned array, radar and the latest sensor systems, it allows this aircraft to detect and track targets with high accuracy. 3. Superior ability in air combat. With its high speed and maneuverability, the F-16 Viper Block 70 is capable of competing in modern air combat and overcoming complex air threats. 4. Precision strike capability. The aircraft is equipped with precision strike capabilities using various types of air-to-ground weapons, including air-to-air missiles and guided bombs. 5. Affordability and resilience. The F-16 Viper Block 70 has a fairly wide range and an improved fuel system, enabling longer and longer air operations. 6. Communication and connection skills. The aircraft is equipped with advanced communication systems that enable effective coordination with ground and naval forces, as well as integration with airborne command and control networks. With its combination of superior combat capabilities, advanced avionics systems, and flexibility in missions, the F-16 Viper Block 70 is an attractive option for the Philippines in facing security challenges in Horizon Phase 3 development. It is hoped that, with the adoption of this advanced fighter aircraft, the Philippines can strengthen its air defense capabilities and better safeguard its territorial sovereignty. We received word from several sources that the push to improve the defense cooperation agreement between the US and Philippine defense departments has strengthened efforts to gain support and influence to support the selection of the Lockheed Martin F-16 Block 70 Viper EDCA is said to help make it easier for the US to support F-16 operations, and the survival of the Philippines is therefore the product of their country and their own supplies. The chain supports the F-16 in its subsystems as well. EDCA may be a backdoor for the US to reduce the overall cost of the F-16 Viper, as many of the items included in the overall package that push the price of the Viper beyond the PAF budget could be provided by the US separately or acquired separately by the Philippines. According to our sources within PRE Marcos Circle, there are indeed people close to the President as well as members of Parliament and people with influence who advised PRE Marcos to negotiate with the US as part of improving military ties and as a deterrent to China. Getting the F-16 the Viper augments several previous versions of the F-16C/D Fighting Falcon temporarily, while new versions are still under development as part of an environmentally friendly and more affordable package. With this multi-role fighter acquisition project, it is hoped that the Philippine Air Force will be increasingly able to maintain the country's security and sovereignty. Hopefully, the collaboration between Lockheed Martin and the Philippine Air Force in the production of the F-16 Viper can run smoothly and produce satisfactory results.